reset.
Never lose sight of why you are who you are. The reason people are into you is because of something you have in you. Don't ever let go of.
This isn't just a makeup video, it's a reset. I'm doing a soft beat while talking about everything I've been feeling lately. Exhaustion, growth, healing, and what it really means to pour back into myself as a mom, a woman, and a dreamer. Life's been lifing, and honestly, I've been in survival mode. But I'm ready to start choosing myself again, even if it's just doing my makeup and talking through it. Somewhere along the way, I stopped hearing my voice. I was so focused on surviving, I forgot how to live. But lately, I've been remembering. Not who I used to be, but who I was always meant to be. It's not about reinventing myself, it's about returning. Returning to the girl with wild dreams, soft edges, and quiet strength. I've been pouring into me softly, intentionally, and patiently. Romanticizing the little things, showing up for myself in ways I used to wait for others to do. This isn't a glow up, it's realignment. I'm reclaiming the parts of me I left behind to survive. The joy, the creativity, the peace. And I'm doing it all with grace, honey. I don't need to explain the shift. You'll feel it when I walk in the room. Healing isn't always loud, baby. It's not. And sometimes it's just the quiet mornings, gentle music, clean skin, and deep breaths. And a promise to never abandon myself again. I've been unlearning the ideal that I have to earn rest. I deserve softness, even when I'm not productive. I don't have to hustle to be worthy of love, peace, or joy. My beauty isn't just how I look. It's how I protect my peace, how I love myself loudly, how I stop settling for the bare minimum from anyone, including me. I'm no longer available for things that dim my light. This season is about alignment, not attachment. Everything I thought I lost, I'm learning I am the source. Love, security, safety. It starts with me. There's something sacred about finally choosing myself, not in rebellion. This is what healing looks like. Less noise, more intention, less people pleasing, more self-honoring. I don't chase, I attract. I align, I trust. I'm not rushing anymore. I'm learning to love the becoming just as much as the arrival. And if all I did today was love myself a little more than I did yesterday, then that is more than enough. This chapter, y'all, is soft and sacred, honey. And I am not sorry. Also, this is the finished look. And I hope you guys really enjoyed my talk through and my video. I will be posting more, so make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. More makeup and gap. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this far. Make sure you're subscribing